Tom. I'm the CEO and one of the co-founders of Josef, a no-code legal automation platform. I think this hackathon has been an incredible demonstration of legal professionals' ability to think outside of the box, to take the problems that they face every day and come up with creative solutions that respond both to their needs and to the needs of their clients. It's been inspiring.
Hi, I'm Shannon Friesen. I'm a Justice of the Massachusetts Superior Court. I'm here this week chairing the Future Lawyer Week Conference. Really the highlight has been really learning so much from the speakers. They're really experts in legal tech and have just given me a information dump into my brain about all of the challenges for in-house counsel and law firms.
We decided to attend because we thought it'd be a good opportunity to network, get a feel for some of the folks who are in the space, and then also to really get the word out about the Finally. The highlight of the day was our presentation, Exiting the Maze. So I would say, obviously we're pretty biased, but that was the highlight, I think. I think the positive impact allowed us to really network and kind of get a feel for the legal tech field here in the US. So yeah, it's been pretty cool.
I think what I like about Future Lawyer Week is, that's not like all the other kind of legal tech conferences, that there's something fresh and new about it, and I'm seeing people that I haven't seen at other conferences, so it's really an interesting way to meet people that are trying to get into this space or are interested in learning more about it.